Alright, hey YouTube, how's it going? I am going to show you or demonstrate how to remove the rotors on a 2007 Honda Pilot. Now what you're going to need, just to start off, is some type of long pipe, just for leverage, if in case you need it. Obviously the tool to take off the lug nuts, a screwdriver, a ratchet, and a size 17 socket, and a size 14. Alright, and just in case, you know, a hammer and one of these drills, impact drills, just in case. You don't necessarily need it, but just in case. It'll speed up the process. And if you do it my way, you know, make sure you get an impact little bit, because I broke mine trying to remove one of the screws that were on the rotors. So, you know, don't be like me. I even messed up when I tried to, you know, take something off with the ratchet and using this pipe. So just be careful, you guys. All right, let's go. So I already took everything off. This is just hand tightened now. So I just want to show you and demonstrate how to take it off. Let me use this.
Old school.
Old school, dude. You know, you're gonna take all 5 off, or yeah, 5 for this vehicle, but you know, other vehicles you have 4. Let's take it off. All right, here's what you can do. Let me get this out of the way. Just to be safe, you want to put this underneath your vehicle, so in case it falls, it doesn't fall on you. There you go. Put that under there. All right, now with the size 14, you're gonna go behind the calipers and take this nut off here. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Right, but I already hand tied it off, so just do it with your hand. If you're at my stage, there you go. Put this nut aside. Grab the caliper, put it on the arm control. There you go, so it doesn't break. And then now you have the second portion of the caliper. Well, after you take off the brake pads. Then you go behind here, and you have 2 nuts that you have to take off. These are size 17, hence size 17 socket. You go back here. You're gonna have to use that breaker bar or ratchet and that pole to get some leverage and knock that out, because it's really hard. Let me put these somewhere we don't lose them. All right, there you go. Once it's off, what you're gonna want to do for you know, to be neat, I kind of just put everything back in place. Just so I don't lose everything. So the hammer and screwdriver, this is hard labor, right? You don't want to do this, but you can, you know, hit it and move, twist as you go, right? What I did, and I'm gonna show you guys how I broke my nut or little bit, is I put it on and I went fast too soon. What you're supposed to do, if I have the other one, I don't. Anyways, you're just supposed to go real slow. Let the impact drill, or let the hammer you know, mechanism do its work, and it's just supposed to hit just to get that nut loosened. Once it's loosened, you can continue with the ratchet or just with a screwdriver and undo it. There's 2 though on this vehicle, one at the top, one at the bottom. I already took the bottom off just to show you guys and have this done faster. Take this thing off, right, the rotor. If it comes off, there you go. Put it aside. Get the new rotor. Oh, I don't have brake cleaner. Oh well, I'm gonna do it without it, but I'll take it off later and show you guys. Sorry, you want these holes to match. Right, there you go. You put that on there. You're gonna get the same bolt. It should have thread lock on there, but it's all good. I'll do that later. Just want to show you guys. You're gonna tighten it up with that impact drill. You're gonna impact you're gonna obviously screw it in with the impact drill, soft, not hard, not fast. You're gonna break it. Then you just redo, do the process backwards. You're gonna put the rotors on, and the brake calipers, and then the tire. Screw everything on really tight. Okay, you guys? Any questions? If you guys have anything, just put it down in the comment and let me know. All right, hopefully this helps. See ya.